party YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Oh boy, why is she on the box? Oh boy. But we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and they'll get to this in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. And we're about to find out what's inside. If you like this item, click the link down below, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. Oh, here we go. She's on both sides. Jeez, peace. So, physical Afloia. Physical dehumidifier top Z 1 pack. Alright. Take a look inside, set this thing up, give it a test run. And like I said, if you guys like this item, be a nice little housewarming gift to give somebody. Christmas gift coming, holiday season's coming fast. We got something here. What is this? Filter. Shake, shake, shake. Alright. Viola. There we go. Empty. That was probably just in there. And then hammer time. The manual. Oh, this is a little tiny dude. How does this work? We got a plug. Oh, come on out. Come on. Alright, there we go. Nice and easy. Easy peasy. So here we go, guys. This is an interesting setup. Boy, come on. I feel like Hulk Hogan. Oh yeah. Brother. Here we go. Pop the top. Take the twist tie. Couple seconds, and here we go. So, oh, I wish there was an easier way to do these twist ties. They are tight. Bam. Yeah, there. Alright, give it a stretch to find my plug. I have the plug. So here we go. Plug her in. See what it does. Okay. Here's the bottom. Got a little things there. Like this. Make sure you take the wrapper off. Pop it in here. Pop this out. Kind of looks like a Alexa thingy. And which side of, oh, they're orange. Alright. Oh. There's a green light, must be go. I can hear it, it's quiet. Maybe give it a good, like a half-hour run. That's pretty cool. Pretty classy too. Fancy dancy one. Kind of looks like that Bezos spaceship. Send that to the moon, you know? Big and long. Oh yeah. So, yeah, I can feel it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, this thing works good. Alright guys, check them out. Philo. It's right there, the name. Oh, I can feel it. I'm liking this one. It is super quiet, guys. Right there. Easy to put in the corner somewhere or somewhere in your office, I'll find a spot in here. So, but definitely, I noticed the difference in a minute. So, I'll give it a good maybe hour, maybe more or less. Really cool. Alright, YouTubers, be safe and see you in the next video. Stay tuned.